MODE360 is a photographic device that helps you create high-quality PACKSHOT quickly and easily. PACKSHOT is an image of a product used to portray its reputation in advertising and other media. Photo Composer also has the ability to create 360-degree presentations of your product. You can make amazing full-circle presentations and easily publish it on your website. PACKSHOT can be used in many applications: websites, internet auctions, catalogs, TV commercials, and in advertisements. The 360-degree product presentation allows you to freely rotate product view and zoom it into the closest detail. To use the MODE device, you'll need a Canon digital camera and a PC with Mode Easy Photo software installed. The following parts of this tutorial describe features and workflow of taking PACKSHOT pictures and 360-degree presentations. MODE360 is a compact desktop photo studio system controlled by the PC. It's very versatile and has many features that make your work efficient. MODE devices are compatible with Canon and Nikon DSLR cameras. An integral part of MODE Photo Composer is Mode Easy Photo software, which allows live image capture, full camera control, and the ability to edit your pictures. Photo Composer has 5 built-in independent LED lights. The sliding camera platform lets you adjust the angle of shooting for the desired effect. It also gives ability to create semi-spherical 3D presentations. The camera mounting system enables you to change the angle of view with secure headlock. The sliding camera rail allows you to adjust camera distance. Taking pictures of objects with different height requires you to adjust proper angle of view. The side covers help you minimize the reflection of light sources from the outside. Here you can see the difference of the picture taken with or without side covers. This tutorial provides basic information related to the photography essentials and settings of the image parameters in MODE software. For tiny objects like rings, use long focal length macro lens. For medium-sized jewelry, use standard macro lens. For larger objects, use wide-angle zoom lens or standard lens. Photo Composer has 5 built-in independent LED lights, which allow you to freely create desired lighting or shadowless effect. With use of Mode Easy Photo software, you can control camera exposure parameters, both shutter time and aperture, with live preview. Depth of field is a very important aspect of macro photography. For greater depth of field, use greater aperture value. Another important parameter of image quality is sensor sensitivity setting. ISO sensitivity allows you to better control the depth of field. You'll get best results with low ISO settings. High ISO settings generate noise. Some specific color objects require correction of white balance. Using White Balance Corrector, you can adjust white balance to get the proper rendering of specific color tints. Image quality settings enable you to choose the proper image size and quality depending on the image destination. Choose small image size for web publishing and large for print and pre-press. This tutorial helps you to achieve the best results in taking PACKSHOT photographs with the Photo Composer. Mount the camera to the rail and adjust its position. Connect the device and camera to the PC using proper USB cables. Check status of the connection in MODE360 photo software. When connection is established, you'll see communication indicators in green. Using protective gloves and brush or airspray, clean the object of dust and put it on the platform. Open the lock and move the camera head to desired angle. Turn on internal lights by clicking appropriate light buttons in Easy Photo. Frame the shot with Live View feature of Easy Photo software. You can preview the actual image in the main window. Set all required camera parameters, image quality depending on application, ISO sensitivity, and exposure parameters. Set the focus. Use focus buttons in connection with the zoom button. Manual focusing is allowed. Set the lens trigger to manual and focus by turning the lens focus ring. Mount the side covers. They minimize reflections on the photographed objects. Choose the destination folder on your PC hard disk drive. Push the shutter release button. Your picture is ready. In MODE360 software, you can automate your work by using presets. You can save all images and exposure settings by adding the description of the camera angle, background and lens used. It's a very useful feature when photographing similar objects after a certain period of time. Proper centering of the object is a very important phase in the creation of 360-degree presentations. The aim of the centering procedure is to precisely set the object in the axis of rotation on the platform. Put the centering chart on the platform. Push Centering button in MODE360 Photo. Move the camera arm to the vertical position. Using camera mount screw and vertical adjustment knob, set the camera position to converge its axis with the chart center crossmark. Remove the centering chart from the platform. Precisely place the object in the center using Live View. Set desired camera viewing angle. Align optical axis to the vertical center of the object. Choose the destination folder. Next, set the number of photos per animation and press the Start button. Photo Composer will start collecting pictures. You will hear the sound after it's done. Next, run the 3DRT Flexi software and set up your animation. Drop the image files or folder containing it onto the program window. Choose the output animation size in pixels and player skin. In the Advanced Settings section, you may set many parameters related to user interface, control, rotation, and preluder of an animation. After setting animation parameters, click the Create button and choose an empty folder for output files. 3DRT Flexi now opens Output folder. You can preview the animation offline by double-clicking an index.html file. Your animation is ready to use. Browsing is simple and intuitive and works perfectly on all browsers and mobile devices. When publishing animation online, establish an FTP connection by any FTP program or Windows Explorer and copy all files from the 3DRT Flexi Output folder to a newly created folder on the server. After all files are copied, type your FTP folder path in your browser and share it with your customers. You can enhance your work with Mode Photo Composer by using lots of additional accessories and custom lighting. Removing platform is required to change the background sheet. Gently push the platform in place of the guides on both sides of the chamber. Carefully pick up the plate and remove it from the chamber. Remove background sheet by pushing its bottom edge and pulling the upper one. Mounting a new background sheet is the reverse procedure. Put folded background sheet into the chamber and gently push background outer wings into side guides. Mode offers you several color backgrounds for special purposes. You may also use simple effect accessories, especially for jewelry photography. Black ring is dedicated for small, shiny objects. It darkens external borders of the object. Color reflector can enhance images by adding specific tints or absorbing light. In this example, gold reflector significantly enhances the appearance of this gold ring. Spot LED lights can add appealing blinks and flares to the image. You can enhance your work by using various additional light sources, custom shaders, and reflectors. Capabilities of creative lighting are limited only by your imagination.